Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, back with another video. Now, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and give you my first impressions about this iPhone 16 Pro Max. As you can see, I do have it in this black matted titanium look here. I got the 256 gigabyte variant, and other than that, that's pretty much your standard information about it. I did take this with me just to run some errands today. I also took the phone over to my brother's house to let him see it. He's a big iPhone guy. Everybody in his family use iPhones. So I want to kind of get his first impression. So I kind of did a little bit of an interview with them and got their impressions of what I think, what I think of the phone. I kind of gave them my idea, my impressions, what was new, and then I kind of asked them, does that move the needle for you? So it is pretty interesting. And also, my iPhone 15 Pro Max had a cracked lens, so I took that to the Apple store to get that fixed. So I kind of took you guys throughout my day. Camera lens taken care of. So like when I did get the iPhone 16 Pro, I was kind of worried that the actual larger dimensions would be a little bit, more to my liking, but actually it's somewhat unnoticeable to a certain extent. The smaller bezels is a plus. It makes the phone, I think they got a little bit of the extra screen real estate by shrinking the bezels a little bit. So that was kind of a plus and what have you. But to think about it, if you're somebody who already has an iPhone 15, you can pretty much pass on this. 14, you got some questions you may want to try to think about answering for your own personal usage. And what I mean by that is like, how important is AI to you? Do you find that fitting into your life a certain kind of way? Is it something you think you would need? I really think the jury is still out on how important AI is for people in general. So that kind of maybe makes you think that trying to get the 16 for that, you might be able to wait to see how AI actually shake out and how people, find a usage for it. But again, like I said, that's probably the biggest question, because some of the camera improvements and all of that, and that new camera button is still considered to be, a little some extra that's not needed. It's hard to change camera habits when it comes to cell phones. And Apple, I don't know. If anybody who could make people change their camera habits, it probably is Apple, making use of that button. But it's gotten to the point now where it was almost rumored that Apple was going to have a phone in the next few years that wouldn't have any kind of buttons on it, to now probably having the most buttons on a phone than anybody that's out today. Hopefully, in my opinion, Samsung don't copy this. Please don't try to copy, add another button and doing all these little extra camera, this camera stuff. I hope they don't do it. But I'm almost to my brother's house, and I'm gonna go ahead and ask him what he thinks. Plus, my nephew got his first, I don't want to say new car, but his first car. and I'm going to check it out, and then I'm going to talk about the iPhone, ask my brother what he think about it, but I'm about to go get ready to park and pull on up. See what's going on with my bro. What's going on with everybody? Hey, y'all officially in my YouTube video. Hey, fellas. Hey, Ann.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good.
I'm putting Manny in my YouTube video. Yeah, you can talk. If you say something crazy, I just edit it out.
Look at that little contraption.
Yeah, it's a gimbal. Take these on vacation. You can.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah.
That's a 360?
So little.
No, this yeah, the DJI gimbal.
Oh, dang. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, and my mic is up here. What up, man? What's up, Neff? You all right? I'm all right. I'm kind of doing a YouTube video. I'm putting you in my video.
Manny.
Don't worry, I'm not getting a picture of you.
Take that other wherever we have a spot, because it's not always the same spot.
That's nice, man, for a first car.
Yeah.
Shoot, ma. Them BMWs, though, you gotta be careful when they need repairs. They're gonna cost. Yeah. This is nice for a first car.
We've got a little crack there,
It's all-wheel drive, right, or front wheel?
All well.
All-wheel, that's good. Keep the tires and oil changes. Those are the two most important things. If you can, let's say you could check your tires by putting a quarter, and if the more the quarter you can see, oh, you can do that too? All right, well, that's the old school way, like you do the quarter
right? That's
thing.
the old school way, right?
And then the more the quarter you see, the more you know you need to change your tire. That's the brake dust. That's just brake dust. It could be the type of pads he using.
Yeah, because our Paul was like saying they probably use some
The cheapest pads.
Because like they put new brakes on it.
I think that's what they did. Because they don't, after a while, it's kind of like deteriorating.
You can go to the like any auto store and just buy the rim cleaner. Let's say before you go into the car wash, just spray it real quick on the outside and let the car wash do all the cleaning.
That's smart. I didn't think of that.
We got some of that in the garage. I bought some for my car. It doesn't work very well.
Yeah.
Put it in there. Get rid of your other one.
Let's see the interior.
Because that is,
Oh yeah, the old one. Oh.
not bad, eh?
Yeah, it's nice, clean, real nice. Take the back seat.
We see all those people.
Everybody put in $5. Yeah. Nice.
Everybody ride for free around.
Nobody ride for free around here. Everybody getting mad. We just chip in $1 though.
Manny, is the charger thing working?
No, I picked up the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I just want to show y'all.
Oh.
And then I want to get y'all opinions. That's all why I got y'all here and get my little mic on. Interview everybody.
Camera on that thing.
I just put screen protectors around
Oh,
it.
okay.
So that's why it's bigger. So what do you think? It's a bigger phone. It's supposed to have, it don't have Apple AI yet.
Okay.
Because it's supposed to come.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, and it's supposed to be integrated into Siri. I got a privacy screen on there too. You can now theme it and like make it. You see how I got everything looking dark and everything? You can hold the thing down. They let you move the icons anywhere you want on the screen. See how I got customized? So you can pick a particular theme. If you just know your icons, you can hit that and it'll make all the words disappear, but you just have to identify it based on the icons itself.
For larger, for this, for
Yeah. But it won't put the words there, you know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
that's
You see what I'm saying? But if the icons
picture
get a little,
bigger.
picture get larger. And like I said, you can play with it, change the color. See how the icons change color? If you want to get real fancy, you can pick your own color. Like sliding that bar back and forth, and how intense you want the color to look, you can use that slider. So that's the thing, it's like more Android-like as far as just the customization of it. But the AI, you don't know if people really need AI yet. You know what I'm saying? The AI, when they showed at the Apple event how it works, supposed to work, it's supposed to be very conversational. Like you can talk to it. Yeah, that's the new camera. Now, like I said, the two biggest things on the iPhone is supposed to be the AI that ain't out yet, and people don't know how much they really need it, because AI is just starting off. Now they got a camera button on the side. I'm gonna show you the new camera button, like right here.
So like it feels more like a.
See, look now. You see how I hit that little button? It could change like the color of it. That's a picture. Hold on. I might have to go in and change the sensitivity of it. Hold this thing right quick. But all right. So you see, I changed it to the different type of camera.
Okay.
So you're supposed to be able to put your finger and then change the
Like
style
scrolling and
camera.
stuff?
Yeah, scroll. And I don't, like I said, it's still the gimmick to me, because people have been trained to use this, and Apple now is trying to get you to use this little button as another.
And that's a new added button up there.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
No, it doesn't seem to be that user friendly.
it is, but it's probably because of the angle of how I'm holding it.
Oh, okay.
But it's like,
So
Apple's literally trying to retrain you from stop tapping on the screen. Everybody's always used the screen to navigate it.
And now they're putting more buttons.
Now they
around
put
the
more
edge.
buttons around the edges. People don't even know what to do with this little button up here. I done added
a
some
button up
shortcuts. Yeah, this little button up here is like a shortcut button that people don't use. Right here, right above the volume rocker. So I use it for, it's called an action button. I use it and I put all these commands in it so I can hit it, and then if I want to do something immediately, it'll do it for me. See my selection there?
Text wife.
So if I want to text Carmina real fast, it'll hit that and go into the text message, or I can ask it to do a Google search, turn on. So these are just the commands that I picked that I want to do on the action button. But the action button can turn on your flashlight, or whatever. But don't nobody use it.
No.
Nobody.
Yeah.
It's on everybody's phone, but
Is it now?
it should be. What iPhone you
No,
have?
I got ours is old.
Ours?
Like, ours is like the old toggle for the mutant.
Right. Okay. So you got the old toggle. So when do you think you gonna? If you ever upgrade, do you think you ever upgrade? Do you feel the need to upgrade, or do you care?
You know what? Like the way they do phones now, because you know, we never pay outright cash for our phones, so
Right.
we always do the installment through our carrier.
Right.
And we just finished paying off our phones that we've had for like how many years now? Like a number of years.
So like I said, it's not important to y'all to like
No,
really
it's like
be
our need
on the
to
top of upgrade
Yeah,
or
our need to
whatever.
upgrade isn't
I
important.
find that the battery starts not lasting.
Yeah, when they start doing those like upgrades that
Yeah.
forces you to buy a phone.
Well, your battery degrades year after year, so
Okay.
you're not really getting a true 100% now.
No, we're not.
You're not. So
Probably the last year that's happened.
yeah, well, I'm surprised because it ain't gotten to a point where it had driven you crazy, where you like say, I gotta get out this phone. So y'all,
Well,
it's,
you know,
it's just rare.
the
Y'all
thing-
rare where y'all got a 5-year iPhone.
I constantly keep my phone on the charger anyway. So it's like when I'm at work and I'm driving around at work, it's on charger anyway. So like I never
So
noticed.
this last
So you notice battery
Year and a
drain
half,
way
yeah.
more than he would ever notice it, even though he don't know his battery is actually losing power.
Yeah, like
The
it
only
won't
time-
last my whole day now. We're like halfway through the day now.
Right.
It's low, and I have to use someone's charger.
The only time I notice that my battery like runs out quickly is if I'm home and I'm watching YouTube or something, and I'll look up and I'm like, damn, my battery's already almost dead. you
Almost
know?
dead, right.
And it's pretty quick, but
So, but here's the thing about it: when the AI stuff come out, your phones won't get it.
yeah,
Y'all won't get in because it needs. Apple always got the chip processor, which is pretty similar to a chip processor that's in your computer, and it has to have so much memory in it, RAM, for it to work with the AI. And your phones are so old, it won't even.
Yeah, and even like they're gonna stop
Right.
upgrading to certain operating systems.
Right, and so in a lot of ways you're going to be forced to get
Yeah.
at least come close, and the AI is only going to work for the 15 Pros. Anything 14 and under, the AI won't even work for you.
We usually, when we get a new phone, we'll get then
The
the
15
latest.
or the latest.
We skip to, because that's what we did with these ones. At that time, that was the latest.
Right. So probably by the time y'all get and here's another thing too. What Apple do, they'll put like the latest tech in the highest end phone, and then it'll come down to the lower end phone, like what's on this 16. If you just want to get a regular iPhone, not the Pro model, you won't get all the latest and greatest, technology. You get the button for the camera and all of that, but you won't get the AI. They try to make you buy the most expensive phone, put it like that. So like I said, people don't know how important AI is to them because they ain't never used it.
Right. I know I don't use it on a daily basis. So.
Right. I mean, it's cool. I mean, like, you can ask yourself to make doctor's appointments, and it's so conversational because I use, like, the Pixel. I use that, and you won't believe it's almost scary.
See, it's gonna take
conversational it is.
It's gonna take some time to like be trained away from like the current way we use it now. Like, you know what I mean? With how we use Siri, because we know we have to be succinct when we like give it directions.
Yeah, like
Right.
the most I use is probably with Alexa.
Right.
Tell them to.
And out of all the 3 voice assistants, Siri is the worst.
Siri is the worst.
Siri by far is the worst.
Yeah.
Out of all the voice
assistants,
assistants, Siri is by far the worst. So
what are the 3? Alexa, Siri, and
Google.
what it's called Gemini. It depends on Google, always remarketing everything, but the Gemini is what they got now. If you got Chrome browser, or you can go to the Gemini's website, you can sample it, and it's built into the Chrome browser if you use that on your computer. So if you update your Chrome browser, you'll start seeing Gemini, and this little star icon in the top, that'll let you know Gemini there, and you can actually talk to it. You can change the voices. You can have a male voice, female voice, British accent, whatever, with the Gemini. I'm quite sure Siri gonna have it too. I'm assuming they will add those little unique features, but for the most part, out of the 3, like Alexa and Google is neck and neck as far as their voice assistant, depending on what you prefer. And like I said, Siri makes so many mistakes and mishear you and say the wrong thing.
I don't use Siri very much on my phone. We have Alexa all through the house.
Right. But I think that's a kid's thing, though. The kids are going to like it. Right now, we're like the old boomers who don't they're technology,
Like that Saturday Night Live skit. You ever see that one? When they call Alexa everything but Alexa.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one that you showed me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's funny.
That's gonna be us.
So, oh well. Well, y'all guys helped me immensely. I just want to get y'all opinion.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut to them. So, I'd like to thank you if you made it this far in the whole video. I do appreciate it. And that's pretty much kind of like my own little day in the life. It wasn't quite your traditional day in the life video, where I pretty much take you through every aspect of my life. But I just took you guys out, ran a few errands, took along the iPhone 16, and just got an idea of how it performs out in the real world, which is pretty good. I didn't expect anything less. And to get my family's opinion on the iPhone itself, technology, and some of their buying habits and what have you. So I kind of, hope this kind of gave you an idea and an idea of how people pretty much think when it comes to just getting the latest and greatest in iPhones. A lot of people really don't rush out and get the newest tech out. But again, thanks. If you made it this far, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave your comments down below. And again, like I said, I'll catch everybody in my next video. I'm out.